So welcome back to Vani Vision. And as in the last video, we were discussing about the indicators, right? Indicators means what? To detect whether it is an acid or a substance is given for you. To know it whether the substance is made up of, substance is containing an acid or a base. So for that purpose, we are going to use this indicators. In that already we have discussed. My last video is about natural indicators, right? So extract of red hibiscus, extract of red cabbage, extract of hibiscus, turmeric and litmus papers I already discussed in my past video, the previous video. Now today we are going to discuss about a synthetic indicators and olfactory indicators. Now under the synthetic indicators, see, we are going to discuss about two indicators. Before going into that, so what is the difference between this natural indicator and synthetic indicators? Means natural means what? Which the extracts which are made from the plants. So plants from where we made human beings. Yeah, the human beings made a plant? No, which are the naturally obtained for us. But coming to the synthetic indicators, here these synthetic indicators are made by man in the labs. Okay, so that's the reason we are calling them as a synthetic indicators. Here, so here we are going to see about two indicators. First one is methyl orange, and the second one is phenaphthalene. We are going to see about phenaphthalene. So what happens means when methyl orange adds to acid, it turns to red color. Okay. When it added to a base, the color methyl orange indicates only it is in orange color. When orange color methyl orange is added to an acid, it turns to red color. Okay. And when it added to a base, it turns to yellow color. Clear? Any acid you take, add some drops of methyl orange in it, it will turns into, the solution is going to be turned into reddish color. Take a base, add some drops of methyl orange in it, it will be turned into yellowish color. Clear? And then phenaphthalene. Now the phenaphthalene, when we add into an acid, no change in the color. The color will not change. No change in the color. Okay? Then the base, when phenaphthalene is added in a base, the color is turned into pink color. Which color? The color. When the phenaphthalene solution is added in a base, it will turn to pinkish color. When it is added in the acid, the color will not be changed. Remember that. These are the synthetic indicators. Okay, what are the two synthetic indicators we were discussing about? They are methyl orange. Methyl orange, when added to an acid, it gives you red color. When it is added to a basis, it will give you yellowish color. Then phenaphthalene, when it added to an acid, there will be no change in the color. Then when it is added to a base, it turns to pink color. Okay. So this is what about the synthetic indicators. Now we'll see about olfactory indicators. So you may get a confusion. You may think that already natural is also done. Synthetic is also done. What is one more thing here? Almost man-made is also done. Natural also done. What is this again? So by seeing the colors, we are knowing about this, right? By seeing the color of that particular substance, we are saying by using these indicators. Here, we'll see the smell of that particular substance. By noticing the smell of the substance, we will say whether the substance is an acid or a base. Clear? Difference I'm saying here. Natural, made from plants, colors. Synthetic, made by human, colors. But here olfactory indicators are the indicators by smelling the substance. We'll say whether it is an acid or a base. Clear? Here first one is onion. I think so everyone know smell of an onion, right? So when we take a paste of some onion and dissolve in acids, the smell will not change in acids. Smell not changed. But under the bases, loses its smell. What happens? It is going to lose its smell. Now coming to the second one, clove oil. Even the same here also, acid smell will not change. Here then under the acids, the smell is not going to be changed. But under the bases, it is going to lose its smell. Clear? This is what clove oil, this is what onion. Smell of them you know very well. Clear? Then last but not the least, it is vanilla essence. Even the vanilla essence also, if we add it in an acid, the smell will not change. What happens? The smell will not change. But coming to the base, what happens? It loses its smell. See, it's very easy to remember actually. Acids are so reactive, they are not going to lose their smell in that easily. Clear? So, but the bases, they are going to lose their smell easily. So, when we dip an onion or a clove oil or a vanilla essence in the bases, they are going to lose some smell in it. But under the acids, it is not going to lose any smell. So, I think so it is very clear about what are the indicators, for what purpose we are using, what purpose we are learning this one. So, these indicators help us to know whether the particular solution is an acids or a basis solution. Clear? There is no label over it, like it is a hydrochloric acid or a sodium hydroxide, a solution is given for you. We wanted to know you, first of all, to do any reaction, first of all, we should know which solution is this, right? To know whether this particular solution is a base or an acid, we have to use this, any one of the indicator from this. From that, we'll be knowing this particular solution is so-and-so acid or a base. Then we'll start doing a reaction about it. Clear? I think so it is very clear to you all, everyone. Clear? And see that if you didn't go through to the natural indicators, go to my previous video. It is already done. So you can go back to the video and you can see. Clear? And go through thoroughly and see the video till the end. Then only you are going to understand the concept clearly. Okay? And make a note of each and every point as a running notes. It is very important. Later on, it will be useful for you all. Clear? And stay tuned to Vani Vision. Thank you.